Hey everyone, so I'm not one to typically do unboxing videos, but today we're going to be opening up something pretty cool, namely this brand new in box, never opened, Pebble 2+HR in the flame color scheme. So let's take a look. This is a white Pebble 2+HR, works great, but I wanted to get this for my shelf and have a backup, so anywho, we can open it up by pulling down this little tab here, and there you go. Well, I keep the box in nice condition, you know, pretty collectible at this point actually, especially in flame. So, I can pull it out. It says hello or bonjour or, you know, whatever your language is with those on there. And there you go. So, a few things to note. We got our strap here. It's got these nice red accents on the inside. Nice touch. Probably cost a bit extra to do that. You can see it's got the Pebble branding printed there. Brand new charging cable. Anyway, we got this here. The actual Pebble itself. Very nice design. Got this very clean look here. Let me focus. Yeah, you got your 3 buttons on the side. Then 4th button on the other side. Peel this off. Let's see if it has a charge. It does, okay. Wow, sitting in a box for years and has enough of a charge to tell me, hey, you need to charge me. So that's cool. We'll go ahead and set that up in a sec. But first, we gotta see what's on this top half. So you got basic instructions. I know how to install a quick release strap. It's pretty easy. It's just hard to do on camera. How can I do this without ripping it? There we go. Okay. Got some nice documentation here. Very user friendly. It's okay. Hello. These are going on my laptop. All right. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, just a bunch of boring stuff. But yeah, there you go. Can button it back up together. Pretty nice. Just really happy to have Pebble stickers. That's so cool. I'm not even kidding. Like that's genuinely cool. All right, look at that. Wow, what an incredible looking watch. I gotta say, these Pebble 2s are very nice. Yeah, I mean, buttons, you know, do have a tendency to fail over time, so we'll see how long these guys last. But yeah, this is the white version next to the black one with red accents. Overall, very nice. I mean, I really do think that they did a great job, you know, making this feel nice even at its fairly low price point, at least for a smartwatch. So yeah, let's go ahead and plug this in and put on some stickers. Alright, so I got my laptop here. I figure, you know, it's cool to keep the stickers as collectibles, but I want to use them because eventually they'll lose their stick anyway, I figure. Alright. Put the other Pebble sticker on the other side because I'm just super organized and great at aligning stuff, and yeah. Okay. Pebble. Beautiful. Alright, so here's the Pebble 2 all set up, synced up with my phone, and yeah, I mean, it's pretty much just what you'd expect if you've used a Pebble. Feels great, really is probably the nicest Pebble I've ever worn. So yeah, thanks for watching. It's awesome to see these watches still living on, and I look forward to using this for as long as I possibly can. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.